Okay, this just felt strange.
This will explode.
What you are witnessing is Joel's actual life-size sandbox. This is just a sandbox. Those are his construction toys that he's just out there playing with. You know, it just doesn't get better than that for Joel. I know he is just, this is pure heaven for him. The price tag isn't. The backfill isn't. And when I tell you, I die at the thought that we're paying for backfill material. There's a rhyme and a reason, okay? I think Joel has like a full video out on this, so if you want deets, you can go watch his video. I'll put that in the description. While they're over there backfilling, these are the footings for the retaining walls. So we'll have a retaining wall that starts up here, kind of tapers down a little bit, and then you can see it will follow that and connect over to the shop. And then over on this side of the house, we've got to have a retaining wall right here that will come out, and then a smaller retaining wall right here that will come out. The boys have been doing all sorts of things, but it's pretty hot, so they went out and did some metal detecting, and to cool off, they came in and had some fruit and water, and now who knows what they're doing up there, but they're happy. I can hear them laughing from all over the place. That little cubby is the cutest thing Joel is trimming out. I just cannot wait to find the cutest wallpaper in there. And when you guys see the lights that Mr. Hoellein picked out, you're gonna die. But I got my camera out because I just wanted to take a little inventory of what my 7-year-old looks like. Let's just take a gander. So you use the metal, here, let's open the bag and see. So you use the metal detector.
And comment down below how many bullet shells there is and how many bullet shells are full.
You want to write that number down, is that what you said?
Actually, no. Comment down below how many shells is in this bag.
Okay, can we show them so they can like get a good guesstimate?
Guesstimate?
Yeah. They're like estimating a guess.
Just one more.
Ah, that's a lot.
No, guys. Wait, do you have any heads? Tips?
Let me finish taking this inventory of you. So we've got quite the dust up in your hair, quite the dirt on your face. What is that?
My bat.
Is that a homemade bat?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Just wood.
Your outfit is stellar clean.
I wore
Alright.
it today. And like yesterday. But
All right, go finish playing.
this tip I found.
Nice.
And then I found this one. Most of these ones are just this will explode.
All right, so be really careful with it.
Most of these are just exploded tips.
Let's see.
What if those are these?
Wow. Where's the tooth? Can you show them the tooth? Check that out. What do you think it's from?
Dad says it's maybe from a deer.
Put it on its side. Let's see the side.
Wow. There's cobwebs inside it.
Let me see.
Wait, comment down below how many bullets. I was like watching a YouTube video yesterday, and I saw like the cover of my face that's like dirty. I was talking with Mom.
Yeah.
And if you think that's like weird, just know that it's dirt and sweat from.
I'll let you read the comments, or I'll just tell you, everyone knew that you were just sweating and working hard in that video. Because it was hot outside.
Well, I'm like still sweaty, like my hands are dirty and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause we've been finding them, but every time we, me, Cody, and Kate, is it okay if I say that?
Yeah, you can say his name.
Me, Cody, and Kate were finding bullets, and every time we'd find one, we'd switch off, but we need a metal detector. But I went off, and I literally found one, like, and then I found this one, but it's exploded, the tip. But, and then I went down to, where's my can? I literally have it.
Which one?
Oh, right here. This. Oh yeah, and I keep this tip on because it's like fixed perfect. Anyway, but I was getting this to go, and then like the bullet was like, it's big and everyone wants it, but no, it was like right here, and then I lifted it up and I was like, oh, look at that. I wouldn't, because you never know what they'll do. Cause possibly take them. Just keep running. Don't give them a bullet shell. Don't say bullet. We're not. Oh, yeah. Well, we can just make sure we put these in. Delivery?
Yeah, thank you.
This just felt strange. I was following this cement truck, and my initial thought was, oh, I wonder if it's for me. And then I thought, no, there's no way we're pouring cement today. I don't even know where it would be being poured. This is just how scattered my brain is, I guess. But then as I followed him down my own driveway, I'm like, oh, it's the footings. And then you look down there and I'm like, okay. Well, I just lost my mind for a second. But anyway, it's amazing the patience you have when you know that the slow cement truck in front of you is, going to your own house. Look at it down there. We've got all sorts of equipment. Oh, I'm going to have to pass the empty truck on the way. Maybe I'll just sit right here and wait for him to pass. Yep, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Just going to sit here and wait for him to pass me up here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm in a fever dream. I don't know how that got filled. I don't know how all these people are here. We've got footings for the walls, and I don't know how it all happened. You know what this means? This means girls camp. Yes, it's true. I am going to girls camp with Olivia. You know what this means? This means Cody is going to young men's camp. You know what that means? That means that Lincoln and Boston are going to a day camp for activity days. So it is a hoppin' week for us.
And plus the shop goes up.
And I don't know if you caught that or not, but Boston was just saying that the shop is going up. I am leaving for girls camp the day that our shop goes up. I don't think you understand what it has taken to get to the point with that shop for me to be gone. I just having faith that I'm where I'm supposed to be. I'm hoping that everything runs smoothly while I'm gone, because here's the thing, the kids have places to go, things to do, and Joel has work to do. We're gonna work it out. We're gonna work it out. You ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
See ya.